Hi, this is Adriana, and this video is about SalesVision, which is the first digital marketing and sales training platform in the world that have taken the boredom out of growing a business by gamifying their university. The word gamification refers to the incorporation of game design elements and principles in the non-game context, like point and reward systems. Gives incentives for people to participate, so it makes it much more engaging. In other words, gamification is about making boring tasks into an interactive game. So there's, as I said, more engagement. Gamification is effective because it taps into people's natural desires for competition and achievement. Teachers, managers, and others use gamification to increase the participation and to improve productivity. Gamification is also often an essential feature in apps and websites designed to motivate people to meet personal challenges like weight loss goals and learning a foreign language, for instance. Tracking your progress is much more fun and it feels like a game. Gamification is taking over the world. You can see it almost in every brand new app on your phone that you download, and we're constantly getting hit to play games online. SalesVision is the first digital marketing platform in the world to gamify the entire training and marketing process. So you will never get bored of doing the income-producing activities that normally hold people back from ever becoming successful in business or in life in general. SalesVision is the first digital marketing and sales training platform in the world that have taken the boredom out of growing a business by gamifying their university. Which means SalesVision has injected interactive games in their training models inside of their university that allows people or participants to win awards and be acknowledged for taking action on the income-producing activities. SalesVision also holds raffles and prizes every single week to reward people for generating leads online, so you can truly have the freedom to build your business anywhere in the world that has internet access. So if you want to get more information, if you want to get into SalesVision, just go look for the link and just click and it will take you to the page. Thank you for watching. Bye.